Hey guys, it's Anajyha here. I'm coming to you with another video. If you don't know, I did a part 1 of the simple DIY denim slides, and this will be part 2. So, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to see what I do to the slides we made in part 1. Alright, hey guys, this is part 2 of our slides making. You'll need a pair of scissors, some glue, any type of strong glue, your fabric. I'm using denim, as you all know, and the slides we made in part 1. And some beads or gemstones, whatever you want to decorate your slides with. Take your fabric, mine is denim, and you're going to cut a piece off. You don't need all of that fabric at this point, and you're going to shred it. Now, whatever techniques you have of shredding denim or any fabric, that's what you're going to do to get pieces. And when you're done, this is how it's going to look. Now, you need as much as you can get. Make a generous amount, and this is how it looks close up. Now, you're going to get your denim slide we created in part 1 and your glue we also used in part 1. You're going to take your glue and apply it to the side of the slide. Apply a generous amount of glue this time, and take your shredded denim or any fabric that you used and place it on there. Place it whatever way you need to, just to ensure that it sticks. I went out of focus a little bit right here. I'm sorry. I didn't notice. There we go. So you pat, pat, pat to make sure that it's sticking to the glue. And you can take off any extra pieces just hanging that you don't want. And shake it just to get any fallout. And then you'll do the same for the other side. A generous amount of glue or adhesive, whatever you're using. Just a strong glue. And take the shredded fabric and place it on there. Once again, I'm out of focus. Okay, we're back. Pat, pat, pat. Make sure to fill in all the places where the glue is. And you can put as much in or as little as you want. I like mine with, a nice amount. Once again, clean up the edges. Just pull out any extra pieces you don't want hanging there. Out of focus. All right. Shake, shake, shake to get any flyaways off. You don't want to walk around leaving a trail. We're going to take our glue and line it to the top part of our slide. I had to readjust my hands. There you go. Put it to the top part, a nice amount. Spread it out a little bit. And you can make the glue line as thick or as thin as you want. And just place it on there. Place that shredded fabric on there. Once again, you want to put a nice amount on there to make sure you cover all the glue. Yeah, sometimes the pieces stick easily and sometimes it don't. Shake off the excess. You have to make sure to put some pressure when you're pressing it on there, and pressure while you're shaking to make sure things, whatever's not sticking, comes off. Just taking off some extra. Now you're going to take your beads or whatever you're using to decorate your slides with. You don't need these many. I chose this just in case some rolled away or whatever. I just put some extra out there, but I only used 6. So you put a dot of glue on whatever design you want. I just did 4 dots of glue, nice amount of glue, and I placed the pearls where I put the glue at. And make sure when you put it there, you press and hold it for a little bit, or it will slide off. Gotta make sure it's in there securely. There you have it. And then right here where I have these 2 little indents, I'm going to place some glue in there. A nice amount. And then place your pearls or your beads, whatever you're using, where the glue is. Apply pressure, pinch. As you can see, mine was, a little lopsided, but yep, easy fix. But you want to fix this and notice this before the glue is dry, because when this glue dry, honey, it ain't going nowhere. Yeah, rolled off. Yeah. Just go around and check and make sure your beads are secure. Add more glue if you need to. And this is the final product. This is our design for our slides. I wound up adding to the other inner part where you slide your foot in. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I decided that's what I wanted to do. I didn't catch it on camera, but y'all get how to do it. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap. There you have it. You know how to make some DIY simple denim slides. This was actually my first time doing this, and I think that they turned out very well. So thank you for watching, and if you stayed until the end to see this clip, once again, thank you for the support, and I'll see you next week on Thursday with another update video.